my school is like. Hey, hey, hey!
Hey, hey, hey!
Hello, buddy. How are you?
I'm good, Jay.
I'm
How
not
you
good.
doing?
I'm good.
Well, you caught me at a
It's
busy schedule, but I just wanted to come
yeah.
on here and wish all of India happy Independence Day.
Thank you,
Woo!
thank you. Yes, we have an Independence Day tomorrow
Wow,
after 12 hours. Yeah.
that's amazing,
Nah.
man. Jay, you're doing a great job.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, just we want to help the people of India as well as the other countries also. Just that's why we came here. No? The concept of one passive is if anyone understand, I don't think anyone will think other ways. Actually, don't go back to somewhere else. Never come before. Okay, it's the first time a person think like that. Just we have a vision that we will fulfill all our dreams. That is the big thing. As a human being, you need these things in the life. Actually, when you sleep and you get a money or your income, that's the most important thing. Like the Sir Barna, one highly investor that is right now I forget the name. Bernard, is it? He is telling that when you get the things like when while sleeping you earn the money, then that done. It's okay. You will never have any sort of financial problem in the life. Is it?
Absolutely,
And
Jay.
yeah, and the most important thing is the head office is in Hyderabad in India. Then also people have to understand that it's not outside the India. You if you have any sort of doubt, just go and check it out over Hyderabad. Is it?
Yep. I wish I could go to Hyderabad. I would love to see
Yeah.
that beautiful building. So, India, you have the opportunity to get over there and see it. I got to look at it through video. So, check. This is real, folks. Get back with Jay, India. He cares about you. He cares about your country, and he wants to see definite changes happening. And if you get in this, when you contact Jay, ask him all about Impassive. He will tell you all about it.
Yeah, yeah. And we will come here just to uplift the humanity. As our CEO is having a very big heart and he was thinking like that only, you know.
Absolutely. I mean, as far as he's given us all a dream is what it is. To be able to make money and do nothing, woo, boy, I wish I would have knew that 30 years ago.
Yeah, yeah. After maybe the whole life will be less for you to get those type of incomes. Those type of huge, tremendous value, wealth, and that at the same time you can help the whole society. You will work for the society. You have a social work. You can easily engage on that because you have a very much time. Your time freedom is also available. You want whatever you like, you just do it. After
Absolutely.
become a founder.
Absolutely. It's really unbelievable. But what Jay's telling you, Jay's getting on you every day and he's talking to you, India. He's letting you know that he cares about you and he wants to help change your life. To make money, to do nothing, that's an amazing feat right there.
And if you want like the Independence Day in the true sense is that you must have the both type of freedom, like financial freedom and the time freedom. Okay, after Independence Day we got so many things, but still we don't have that financial freedom. Okay, that is more important in the life also, no? So I think in every country, in the all throughout the world, everyone is independent. Everyone is having all sort of right, but till date they don't have this financial freedom, which is more required to fulfill all those dreams. Whatever we.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you froze. Yeah, you froze for a minute.
Yeah. Actually, some call as some people is calling me. I actually using this mobile phone. Through that, I am able to deliver that.
Yeah,
Okay.
all the time I'm using the live, someone will call me. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, the same thing is just after the launch, people will definitely meet. I have never met personally with Chris Johnson, but actually we have a very good community. Why? Because we have both type of freedom. We know that it's a very huge
phone call again.
Many people are calling me. I don't just I already mentioned and someone that I will be in live, but say maybe some urgent call over there. Hello Ramesh, how are you? Great to see you, sir. It's definitely boost my energy.
Well, you know what, Jay? You really are doing a phenomenal job. Fantastic. We want India to know that we support you 100%. We support the whole world because we want to change things for the better. But Jay, you are doing fantastic. My goodness, guys, get back with Jay. He wants to rebuild India to the best place in the world. Get your freedom back. Get your time back. Jay is going to help you get there. So please get back with Jay and ask him all about impassive.
Yeah. If you have to listen first. The most important thing is you have to listen the things. Then you take the decision. Whether it is good or bad, after listening the whole story, then you decide. That is the more important thing. After 15 minutes ago, I'm just watching Charles Osong. He's just telling the people, just listen to me. If you listen and then you decide whether you have to do this or not. Okay. And the most important thing, as Frederick Flower always say, if you don't know anything, just jump in and try to learn on the whole concept. After that, then you will decide whether you want to stay there or you want to get a refund. Okay, because we are the only company who is legal, ethical, and we will not sell your data like other companies are doing right now presently. Okay, and we will be the most largest IT company in the world in the coming days. Just believe me, and just we will rock it, definitely.
Absolutely,
hello, sir.
Jay. I'm trying to say hello. Sapet, how you doing? I can see one or two comments, but hello, India. Hey.
Hey, it's coming.
It's coming. But Jay, tomorrow I'll get here with a live so we can celebrate the independence of India. I would love to get on there. My times are all mixed up. I don't know what day, what time it is, but I know it's a busy day, so I wanted to pop on here and let everyone know that I'm going to help celebrate independence with Jay tomorrow in India.
Yeah. You are actually doing a fantastic. Actually, you are. I think you are delivering more than 24 hours a day. That's the I am watching you regularly.
Many hours because we were live. Yep. If I got to work 24 hours a day, Jay, if I got to work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help you change your life, I'm going to do that. That's what we do.
That's the fantastic. That's the commendable. Yeah. Julie ma'am is also there. Okay. Nice to see you, ma'am.
All right. Jay, wonderful day. I got to get ready for the Julie Milo show because I'm going to help out Julie and Milo because Julie's traveling. So I'll probably see you on the India. It's coming. Get with Jay. Hey. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Okay. Yeah. Definitely.